Hi Frank. Yeah, there's not much to be. The Praise template was a Generation 9. We made some updates for mobile, but it's not responsive, and there's still a couple of flash bits on the secondary pages. But the base of the site will work. There's a couple things that just the your iPhones and your iPads and that don't display, but we've updated as much as we can. But if you're looking for something new, we've just released a new one that might actually be a better, because anything with, if you look through our catalog, so you go to our website templates here, and if you look, the Marvel is the one I was thinking about, which is actually comes pretty close. We could even match the colors to your existing for no charge. Because I took a look at this sort of purple here, we could easily match that, to the purple that we have in this new Marvel template. But any of the Gen 11s, these are what we call responsive templates. They'll actually resize and adapt to different devices. Everything's still functioning, everything's still working. So that'd be your best bet. But as far as the praise goes, we did go back and we did update them in terms of, you have uh, on the home page, we replaced the Flash player with sort of a JavaScript player. We could still replace the website name with a graphic instead. So if you want to do that, that's still an option, and then your website name will show up properly. I don't think that Flash web logo is supported by some of the tablets and whatnot, but that we can do. That won't cost you anything. We'll just go in there and do that for you. We'll take a look and we'll make up a graphic, and we can even pop it in your site for you. But as for having it resize and adapt, no, it's just not something this one will do. It doesn't have not the proper, but it doesn't have a framework behind it. Whereas the new ones, we went with what's called a Twitter Bootstrap. Twitter, the guys that created Twitter, they also create a CSS framework for mobile websites, which we're using. It's the most popular one in the world, lots of support behind it, and it has a lot of cool features. But I'd suggest check out the Marvel or new Metro, but I think the Marvel in terms of your site here, sorry, of your site actually comes pretty darn close. So if we were to do a live demo, barring the frame at the top of the page up here, it has some definite similarities that can be pretty close to what you have. Coloring and whatnot, we can sort of tweak the purples to match what you already have as well. So anyways, let you have a peek at that and see if that interests you.